Hello everybody, my name is JT. Today we're going to take a look at this Neutrogena repair cream. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual cream itself. It comes in a small presentation. So one of the things I like about this facial moisturizer cream is the fact that you can use this in the daytime or you can use this at the nighttime as well. So like I mentioned a couple of seconds ago, this does have SPF 25 sunscreen, so you can use this outside. And another thing I like about this one is that it comes with a combination of vitamin C to help you with your tightening of your skin. I like that you can use this for, your neck as well. I've been using this one overall for about, I would say, 4 months. It is a moisturizer cream, so it's going to be a little moistury. So overall, it will give you a shiny face. Overall, I like this cream, and if you're somebody looking for a cream for your face for going outside, you might want to consider this one by Neutrogena. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.